we are here at Davenport, one of the performance shops. They're having an open house today, and we're just checking it out. If you recognize, me and Miles are in the same clothes because we just came from the Cars and Coffee, the last video you guys saw. But now we're checking out Davenport, so we'll go for some more cinematic. Disclaimer, most of these cars are Camaros, as you can see. 1 Camaro, 2 Camaro, 3 Camaro.
Yeah, but this one is
5
sick.
Camaro. Yeah, this one's awesome.
Big snail.
So a lot of these cars will be domestic, so if you guys don't like that, maybe not check out this video, but there will be some awesome cars.
You don't like it?
They build, they do build some awesome cars. A couple of the cars actually we seen at the Cars and Coffee were the cars that were built at this shop right here.
To make things right, I won't give up without a fight. Tell me where you wanna go, tell me where you wanna be, stick your hands to sides.
There we go, there wasn't as many cars, and especially not as many imports as I was like, but we still got some cool cinematics, checked out the cool cars, and checked out the shop. So the shop was pretty cool. That was an insanely clean shop compared to what I'm working in, or what I've seen. Like, the floors were shiny, and they have a beautiful machine shop and whatever, but they mostly do other than imports, so they do like your domestics. You've seen a lot of Corvettes, Camaros, and whatever. So they probably won't be working on Project Daily ever. There was that one Subi, but that's probably the only Subi I've seen. But until next video, peace out and stay humble.